Again, this watch list here lesson, we show you step by step how to use TradingView, which is on the right side of my screen here. This is the main charting service we use. Again, I have a lot of watch lists here. I pay monthly for this ability to have a lot of watch lists. It's not really necessary when you're just starting out. We show you here how to make the free account, and we want you to focus on this challenge and just the Dow 30. And you can see that here, where we don't want to give you 500 stocks to scan and it's too daunting of a process to try to find setups. We want to give you the 30 biggest companies in the stock market where you can find, even here, we had this little bull flag that one of the members was talking about on our pre-Monday morning calls. So we want to give you the cruise ship equivalent of these stocks compared to the recent IPOs or a biotech name that is going to trade a little bit more erratic, where these ones you're not going to get too beaten up in if something was to go wrong. And it's just between these 30, it's in the next 30 seconds I can kind of scan through these and find a potential setup. And that's what we're going to show you when we get to the game planning and bull flag portion of this little video. And even here, so the main thing also to save you guys a lot of time is when you do create the account and you're at this part, you want to hit this little plus sign, and all you have to do is copy these tickers, paste them into here, you hit enter, and all those stocks will come in and will come into this watch list in 2 seconds instead of having to manually type each and every single one in. So it makes it very easy to make that watch list.